Hey everybody, hopefully all of you are doing okay today. Hey, just wanted to touch base about the market throughout this virus stuff and over the last 7 days and kind of what we've seen in our business here. But yeah, actually in the last 7 days, we've been able to pend 3 different properties. So 3 properties have gone pending. We've actually been able to close 8. So 8 properties have actually closed, which going into this, when this all started, I was, to be honest, concerned that people were going to be homeless and not be able to close on those. They have found ways to be able to get those closed. Precautions are being taken, obviously. There's a lot less people at the closing table now. Pretty much just the buyer and the attorney or the lender are involved in that closing now, which is fine. Obviously, we'd rather the less the better, and they're able to get into their new homes, which is great, and sellers are able to sell their homes. And so that's, 8 closed, 3 pending. We have another one that's actually subject to sale, so they just listed their home in St. Louis, so hopefully they'll be able to move closer to family here in Iowa here shortly. And then, we've had 3 sellers reach out, 3 people who are interested in listing their home soon. So we're gonna have 3 new listings coming on the market here, but just wanna give you a rundown of kind of what the market is doing right now. Things have definitely changed, shifted, but it's not at a complete stop. Showing activity did drop from last year a little bit at this time, but not nearly as much as you would think. And so, activity's still there. I know other agents are staying fairly busy too with their business and whatnot. So the other thing we're doing inside the Hokel Real Estate Team is we're just learning during this time how to be more innovative and really how to help you guys better and how to get better with marketing during this time and whatnot. So we're gonna start doing some 3D tours of homes, some virtual tours, which is gonna be great. And then we're also gonna be releasing a lot of new blogs during this time. The blogs are gonna be fantastic just to keep up with these times, how to show your home, how to look at homes during this time, what the market is doing, market statistics, and a lot more. So we'll be releasing new blogs here coming shortly. And so, just stay tuned, hop on, take a read at those. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns about anything, definitely reach out to us. We'd love to chat with you. So take care, and let's hope this thing passes through soon. Have a good one.